Now let's continue. First PySpark program in interactive mode using Jupyter Notebook. So if you observe previous, we used PySpark command. When I type PySpark command, it is started Spark, opened PySpark cell. We return PySpark statements. Our requirement is instead of PySpark cell, I want to write it into Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So first point to tell, I do not have a Jupyter Notebook in my machine. So I have to install. Use this command to install. So first come out from PySpark cell. So here use quit function. Then here use pip install Jupyter Notebook. It is going to install Jupyter Notebook in my Windows machine because I installed Python 3.11, right? I did not install Anaconda Python. If I install Anaconda Python, then Anaconda Python gets by default with Jupyter Notebook. So I have installed Python 3.11. So that's why I am manually installing Jupyter Notebook. Let's wait few more seconds for completion of Jupyter Notebook installation. Yeah, Jupyter Notebook is successfully installed. Type Jupyter space notebook. Then it will start a Jupyter Notebook. Then open new and open Python file. Here I am trying to use Spark dot version. Then shift enter. When I type this one, it is giving left and right saying A Sreenivas name Spark is not defined. What we already discussed in interactive mode, Spark variable is already created, SC variable already created. But when I try to use Spark, it is giving error. So where these variables are created, when you type PySpark command, right? Not Jupyter Notebook directly. So what I'm doing, let me close this one. Let's go to C drive. Let's go to workspace. Here, create a folder, workspace folder, PySpark for AWS data engineering, PySpark for AWS data engineering. In that, I am creating one more folder, version 8. Okay, then in that I am opening command prompt. So I am typing PySpark. When I type a PySpark, it is starting PySpark cell, but not a Jupyter Notebook. It is starting PySpark cell. But my requirement is when I type a PySpark, it has to start Jupyter Notebook instead of PySpark cell. For that, we need to configure PySpark with Jupyter Notebook. PySpark with Jupyter Notebook in environment variable. So there are three properties to this is one property. Let's set up these three properties. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variable. In system variable, click on new, then enter this PySpark underscore Python equal to Python, okay, click on OK, then again new, then add PySpark underscore driver underscore Python, PySpark underscore driver underscore Python, value is Jupyter, then click on OK, click on new, then type PySpark underscore driver underscore Python underscore OPTS, means options, equal to notebook, value equal to this notebook. Then click on OK, click on OK, click on OK, then close this one. Now open command prompt for your workspace. Go to your workspace, type command, then type PySpark. When I type a PySpark, previously it is open PySpark cell. Now it is going to start a PySpark, but it will open Jupyter notebook. See here, we got one error saying Python cannot open notebook. No such file are typed. Let me resolve this issue. Type this command. I'm getting this error. Let's say Jupyter environment variable is wrong. Because of that, we are getting error. So let's rename this one PySpark underscore Python. So here PySpark underscore Python, not this one, this one. Copy this one. PySpark underscore driver underscore Python. PySpark underscore driver underscore Python. Jupyter notebook. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then close this one and close this terminal command prompt once again. Then go to command prompt. Then type PySpark now. Press enter. Now it is started successfully PySpark and opened Jupyter notebook. Here click on new, click on Python 3. It will open a file. Here I am writing uh, PySpark for AWS data engineering. I am giving title. Then click on rename. Then here I am giving title then changing to markdown, then shift enter. Now I am writing PySpark code, first PySpark code. Whatever we written in PySpark cell, same thing I am writing here. See, first I am creating RDD by loading a file. Then I am printing a count. Then I am printing all rows. Then I am printing few rows. Okay, let me execute this program. Shift enter. Observe. So number of rows of an RDD 4, and it printed all rows. It printed 2 rows. Clear writing? How to write first PySpark program using Jupyter notebook.